Hey DJ, say something to the camera.
Huh?
Say something to the
Who has the
camera.
air conditioning
Hello,
on?
players.
She makes sexual faces to the camera. That'd be funny. Oh, Cindy wants your body. Ooh.
That is gross. Shut your face.
And she wants to marry your frog.
Wait, you guys, guess what? Cindy wants your body.
My female friend.
Can't delete the image.
Cindy wants
I
your
wish
body.
I could just be like Larry. Delete it. We're not closed.
That's it.
We're not closed. It's barely
Don't tell creepy.
5:32. He's just making a joke face.
I'm cold. Touch me.
Whoa!
I'm just saying, here, look, just a sample of my hand.
You're not that cold.
Dude, that is just so creepy.
Wow.
She's crazy. She's straight. I swear.
Hey, kitty buddy.
Hey, Cindy, say something creepy to the camera like you normally do. Cindy, say something creepy to the camera like you normally do.
Do you want to die?
Oh.
Oh my god.
That's creepy
Tom,
enough.
do you want to die? Oh, you should do your frog thing of it.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap! Someone's boob's just been.
Ah!
That was Cindy! Cindy touched your boob!
Stop touching my boobs.
Cindy
touched his boob! Be in the video. Say something creepy. Everybody else is doing
You're
it.
still patting his head.
Damn, tickle minis.
That's right. Oh my god.
You got your boobs touched by Cindy. How do you feel now?
Hey, at least it wasn't somewhere
Surrounded by
else.
idiots. Oh my god.
Oh shit! I hope you weren't somewhere else.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I rub honey on your thighs? Excuse me. Excuse me.
That looks so wrong.
What were you doing?
That looks so wrong.
Cindy, say something creepy to the camera like you always do. Like remember when you said you like children? Say something creepy like that.
I like something.
Ugh. That's not really creepy, but okay. Do the frog impression. 'Cause that's so funny.
You spit on me, nasty cochino. Ah!
She's nasty.
No, let DJ do the frog impression. Do the frog.
Do the damn frog.
Let him do it. This is his impression
That's what
of
she
you.
said. Let him do it. Let him do it hard.
DJ is an ice cream. He's chocolate ice.
I like your frog. I like your frog. Me and your frog will be together forever. And there's nothing you can do about it. Me and your frog are in love. I like your frog. Not your face, but your frog. That's what I want to do to your frog. That's exactly what I want to do.
Dude, she's the one that said it too. She said it to him. He has a frog on his backpack.
Yeah, she's creepy.
Dang, Jay Gray, I didn't know you were into that type of stuff.
I think that's right. I don't know your name, sorry.
This is going on YouTube. Say something, Etienne. Or no, Cindy, say something.
I like DJ's hair.
Dude, I don't.
No, not that type of hair. Not that type of hair.
Wait, why are we talking about it?
This is like our best video.
Best video ever!
Yeah! Oh, do your dead bird thing.
Oh, wait. Okay. Happy birthday.
Oh, shit. Yeah! You just hide it. You just hid behind the chair. You're just like this. You're like.
That's what she said. Wait, that's what he said to her.
I walk out. It's not allowed in here. No, that is not loud. No, no. Oh my god. Like that. Okay. This is really long, and it just stopped.
It's funny though.
Oh
Especially the
shit!
fact
It
that-
didn't stop. You want to say bye? Bye bye. Say bye, Cindy. DJ says bye, but he's not here. He's busy. He's busy. Bye.